face this way. I've got a pupil coming up here. I think I'll see my period soon. Good morning, guys. Morning to you guys. Yeah, I'm not looking my fabulous. Come on, as if I do. But anyway, I don't today. Good morning, guys. Ooh, okay. Not that bad. Good morning. I was dancing to this song. I think it can't be 2023. I don't want IG. I'm doing well here on TikTok. I'm from guys, look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna see my periods anytime soon. I was listening to the song 2023, and then as I was scrolling down on my Apple Music, I saw it and I was like, I definitely want to play this song. Guys, please check the screen. It's a lot of you guys, please. Hey darling, hi my love, long time. I'm gonna have to look for I don't know. Some of your comments are filtered, guys. I wonder what y'all are saying to me. That's so mean. Because here, I don't see your comments, but I get a notification that some of the comments are filtered. So if you're trying to say something mean and it's not showing, hey, F you too. Earrings. Okay. succeeding in putting this thing on my ear right now. Why aren't you guys tapping the screen? And there's 46 of you guys here. My ear is beginning to be red. You look like the girl you cheated on me with. Sure. That is so sad. I don't have a boyfriend and I don't have someone that I'm doing things with at the moment. Are you sure it's me? I'm not seeing anybody. Nor have I seen anybody in the last 6 months. Maganik. Ang kasi malingarin din siya. Are you sure you're single? I'm not single. I'm talking to someone at the moment. This is wild. I can't even get it in. Busy, guys. Got it. Finally. But my ear is not red. Look at that. I look like a civil servant. Guys, thank you for sharing my life. This is a pimple. I'm so not into it.